In case you have checked or looked recently, they are actually pretty expensive to replace your interior door handles. So I'm actually going to be taking these ones off. For my purposes right now, I'm just taking off the handle and then this little kind of faceplate area here. And I am going to be powder coating them in a matte black color. So I will show you a close-up of these. Let's see here, so you can see they are looking pretty bad. So let's get to this. Right here you will see this kind of little, it's a little button. And so if I can get this in place, where you can see it, what I'm going to do is take this screwdriver here to the button, and what I'm gonna do, it's just the perfect size actually to be able to press this button in, and while it is still pressed in, I should be able to just pull this out. Especially like where I have paint and everything off of them. So I have on a respirator, and then I have my goggles to protect my eyes. I wear gloves, I wear it all. And then I've just got this little Ryobi sander. So yeah, I'm gonna get going on it.